मिशन चढ़ती कला। और मैं भारत के हर नागरिक को, उद्योगपति को, चैरिटेबल ट्रस्टों को, कलाकारों को, पूरी दुनिया में बसते पंजाबियों को, बहन भाइयों को दिल से अपील करता हूँ, आओ पंजाब को दोबारा अपने पाँव पे खड़े करने का टाइम आ गया है। पुनर्वास में और रिस्ट्रक्चर में पंजाब का साथ दीजिए। मैं वचन देता हूँ, जो भी आप मेहनत की कमाई से 1 रुपया भी अगर निकालोगे तो 1.25 रुपया बना के हम पारदर्शिता और ईमानदारी से इस्तेमाल करेंगे। और जानकारी चाहिए तो rangla.punjab.gov.in ये वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हैं, सब कुछ डिटेल मिल जाएगा। आओ मिलकर हाथ से हाथ जोड़ के एक ऐसा पुण्य उसमें योगदान डालें और बता दें दुनिया को कि पंजाब किसी भी संकट के सामने हारता नहीं है।
Hi, you're watching The Sowera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. A suspicious recovery has created panic here at Basti Road in the city as a large poly bag containing packets of petrol, matchsticks, some wires and a watch was found abundant inside this bag shop. So this is Ajay Bag Enterprises located on the main Basti Jodewal Road at Harbans Tower. So a suspicious large poly bag was recovered from this shop last night, and according to the information, about 3 days ago, a person wearing mask had visited the shop under the pretext of purchasing a suitcase, and after finalizing the deal, he paid the shopkeeper rupees 500 advance and left the large poly bag behind, saying he would return later to collect both the suitcase and his bag. So, however, when the man did not return and employees noticed a strong smell of petrol emanating from the bag, they immediately raised the alarm, following which the police personnel, they reached the spot last night and recovered the spot and began the investigation. So today morning, senior police officials, they also reached the spot, taking the matter seriously. So now Inspector Beant Juneja, in charge of crime branch, he is also here at the spot, scanning CCTV footage of the nearby streets to trace the unidentified person who left the suspicious bag in the bag shop. So however, police have urged the citizen not to panic, assuring that necessary security measures are being taken. So police have initiated an investigation, and they are even questioning the shopkeeper and their employees. They have taken the shopkeeper and the employees to the police post, and they are questioning them regarding the person who left the bag there in their shop. So in which suspicious material, including packets of petrol, matchsticks, some wires and a watch has been recovered. So the matter, police is taking matter very seriously, and they are investigating the matter. They are scanning the CCTV cameras to trace the unidentified person who left the bag abandoned. So we will keep updating you. So Commissioner of Police Swapan Sharma, along with the DCP Harpal and even Assistant Commissioner of Police ADCPs, they are over here. They are conducting closed gate meeting here at Daresi Police Station, where shopkeeper as well as employees and the recovered material, they are here at the Daresi Police Station, and the shopkeeper as well as the employees, the building owner, they are being questioned, and CP Commissioner of Police Swapan Sharma, he is taking stock of the situation. So as of now, a closed gate meeting is being conducted here at Daresi Police Station, and as a suspicious large poly bag was recovered last night from the bag shop, and that poly bag contained some packets of petrol, matchsticks, a timer attached to some wires. So these suspicious material were recovered from the poly bag, following which the police was alerted, and police reached the spot and recovered the material from the bag shop. And now the investigation is in process. Teams are there, even scanning the footages of CCTV cameras, and now Commissioner of Police, he's here at the Daresi Police Station to inquire about the matter, and very soon he is going to brief media regarding this. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to The Sowera for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.